Hi, this is the Dutch Horse Guy. Today we're doing some maintenance on the rotary cutter. So in my previous video you saw the drum mower. That's used to give a smooth cut on the grass. That's for making hay and feed to the horses. We also have some tougher places with a lot of weed on the roadside, and there I use the rotary cutter. So it's more tough. It has 3 blades and it will cut about through anything, but it needs some maintenance because I had some heavy duty work and it well, got some damage. I'll show you. So as you can see, the belt is pretty torn up. There are 2 belts here and over there. The other belt is okay, but I ordered 2 new ones. Gonna replace them both. Also I'm gonna grease the bearings. And then what happened, as you can see, I snapped this blade. So there are 3 blades and I ordered 3 new ones. Gonna replace them all, and the other 2 are okay, but I'll keep them as a spare. Here you can see the new belts, and well, let's get to it. So these are the old belts. This one is trash. I'll keep this one as a spare. It looks good. Yeah. These are the new belts. Let's try to get them on. Be careful with your fingers if you drive them over the pulleys. And I recommend wearing gloves. That's it, they're on. Test it a little bit. That's okay. So now the belts are on, but they're not they don't have the right tension. So we have to tension them. And we do that with this bolt. We pull the gearbox back and then it gets the right tension. Now I can move them about 1 centimeter or half an inch. That's the right tension. So that's it. Now we can bolt back the gearbox. That's it for the belts. Now let's move on to the cutting knives. So as you can see, I hooked it up to the tractor, and I did it to get easier access to the blades. Have a look under. Here you see the 3 blades. The middle one just broke, it snapped in 2. As you can see, it hit the chassis over here. And I'm gonna replace them all 3 and also clean this. Yeah, let's get to it. Once again, the old one used to be here. Boom. So, as you can see, these are not damaged, but I'm replacing them as a safety precaution because one broke. So I thought I'll replace all 3 of them and just keep these as a spare. And while we're at it, I'm taking the old grass away. It got stuck up here. That's it, the blades are on. Now all we have to do is grease the bearings and it's good. So greasing, I have my grease gun here. It's standard all-purpose grease, SKF. Then we have 3 bearings, 3 greasing points. Here, the middle, and that pulley over there. So what you want to do is get some cloth and clean the grease nipple. And you do that because you don't want to inject the dirt into the bearing. So let's do it. Okay, so now it's finished. We have the blades replaced, the belts replaced. It's ready for some bush cutting again. Hope you liked it. If you do, please thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.